Here's the current stock market update for MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated, stock ticker HOLO. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comment section so that other traders will be able to find this information more easily on the platform. So as we can see here, share prices continue to grind lower. And what we're looking at currently here is a 45-minute price chart. This is a little bit of an alternative viewpoint here. Every candle on this price chart represents a 45-minute trading period. It's a bit of an unconventional view, but it's one that we have not yet used for this stock. And I think that this gives us some perspective here to sort of envision the recent price decline as it relates to the prior trend wave movement, which did result in share prices rising to roughly 76 cents per share. So, if we look at the longer term trend here, it is relatively obvious that most of the momentum continues to be focused on the downside direction. We have seen some instances in the past where share prices have managed to post some short-term rallies here. Most recently, going back here beyond the recent 76-cent rally, we have seen share prices move into levels that were close to $4 per share toward the middle of May. So, this isn't really a very long time ago, but since then, the share price action, as we can see here, has made some drastic moves lower. So at this point, it really does remain to be seen, whether or not any further rallies here are going to be likely here near term. This is the main question at this point for this stock. I mean, we're currently trading just above 20 cents per share. So the real issue and the real question is, does this stock go to zero? I mean, are we really looking at a stock here that's going to trade, at $0 or 1 cent, 1 penny per share? I mean, what is the actual value here? What is the true value here? Because anybody that's looking to sort of bet on bounces, those bounces have been few and far between. We can see one example here going back to the August 29 trading session where share prices were trading at 31 cents. Ultimately, share prices did move into just below 45 cents per share, which is a very significant movement. You're talking about nearly 50% in share price gains in a very short period of time. And, just imagine something like that being seen for Nvidia or Microsoft or Apple or some mega cap tech company. Those types of gains would essentially be impossible. You would never see something like that in a $1 trillion company. But obviously, MicroCloud is not a $1 trillion company. So these types of price movements do at least become possible at some stages. But, the real question here is where is the next price bounce and where do people actually expect share prices to move? I mean, if we were looking at share prices, making similar gains here, could we move back into the 30-cent region? I mean, I suppose that would be possible, but you would likely start to see resistance there that starts to develop because this prior support zone at 31 cents would now be expected to act as resistance going forward. Once you break a share price level to the downside, and then you retest that level from below, that level is now expected to work as a resistance zone. So to me, that would be the critical level to watch here going forward. I mean, if you were able to somehow break above 31 cents per share, and I'm not saying that I think that this is likely or possible, but if you were to break above 31 cents per share, that could start to take some pressure off of the downside, because then it would even become possible that you would be able to move back above the exponential moving average cluster. But as we can see here, even this share price movement into 45 cents failed to overcome this blue line, this sort of declining blue line here, which is the 200 period exponential moving average. So the inability to overcome that level is ultimately what led to this further decline in share prices. The stock was not able to gain any significant momentum beyond that point, and the share price movement was so small in terms of time that it would have been very difficult for shareholders to capture those gains. I mean, if you're looking at a very short-term time frame, trading on a 5-minute price chart or something like that, and you're actively watching your charts every day, all day long as the market is open, it's possible that you could maybe, take some gains with a movement like that. But you really do need to buy in at the lows and then sell right at the highs. I don't think most people that are currently long this stock are buying in at the lows. I think most of these people are buying in when share prices are moving higher, because this is when, the majority of people on YouTube are making these ridiculous videos about these types of stocks, these meme stocks. So, people tend to buy in at these upper levels. These recommendations that people are making tend to get made at these upper levels. So if you're buying at, say, 65 cents per share, you're losing, 60 to 70% of your position at this point. I mean, these are huge losses in percentage terms. It might not seem like such a big loss in dollar terms, but in percentage terms, your money could be much better spent looking at other stocks, focusing on other stocks. So, I understand that there are many people that are currently in positions in MicroCloud Hologram that probably want to get out of those positions. But, to expect, magnificent, huge rallies from here does seem incredibly unlikely. So this is the reason that we opened the members only section of the trading platform of the channel, so that, we can allow for, some better strategies to be discussed. All of these trading strategies are designed for beginners. We have entry points, we have stop loss levels, we have profit targets. All that really needs to be done is for the trading outline for each stock to really just be copied. There really isn't any extra thought that really needs to go into it, because all of the trading. The entire process of the trade itself is covered in the trading room, and there really isn't any way to mess it up unless the trades themselves are not followed. So, even while the market has declined, and we have seen some fairly significant price declines in many mega cap stocks recently, and in many of the stock benchmarks, overall the trading room performances have been incredibly strong. Those similar losses have not been seen in those stocks, and some of the gains that have been posted have been incredibly powerful in a very short period of time. I mean, matter of weeks, we've seen gains of greater than 75%. So, I don't think that people should really feel like they're tied to a trade like this, or that they're, sort of imprisoned to continue, and forced to continue holding a position like HOLO, because there are many other stocks in the market that can be traded here. It's not as if there are not other options. There are plenty of other stocks that can be traded. So focusing on these types of stocks exclusively, and then buying in at the highs when YouTubers are, looking for clicks and things like that. This really isn't the way to go about having a successful trading portfolio. So here's the current stock market update for MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated, stock ticker HOLO. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.